Welcome to this edition of EBM Papst RPM, where we are featuring the W3G250 fan for heavy-duty applications. This EBM Papst product is ideally suited for a wide variety of heat exchanger and ventilation configurations in heavy-duty off-road and commercial vehicle applications. It's specifically designed not only to meet the demand of these harsh environments, but also to allow for superior packaging capability in tight places. The W3G250 has an extremely low-profile design that is less than 2 inches in height. This is over an inch shorter than industry standard fans. The fan has a double-sided bayonet lock that allows it to be easily mounted into a bracket and other fixture with minimal hardware. The housing is symmetrical, which leads to flexible installations and a simple configuration for both push or pull airflow directions. The patented guardrail can be integrated by simply snapping in place without any additional hardware. The environmental protection is well suited for heavy-duty applications. The fan is dust-proof and resistant to high-pressure washes, and has an IP class of IP6K, 9K. This series weighs less than 2 pounds, making it perfect for cab cooling, where weight reduction translates into fuel savings. Please contact EBM Papst for more information on the heavy-duty W3G250-EC series for your mobile application, and see the link below for datasheet.